Hello guys, welcome to our channel. It's Art the Rose, and today we'll make a moon themed greeting card which have a butterfly effect and some secret messaging space. It will also have stars, clouds and some cute effects on it. So let's do this. First of all, I have taken white paper and draw a circle, cut the circle out of it. I will use the cut piece to make the moon later, or you can use extra paper to make the moon later. So we'll need another circle of black paper and add the black color paper on top of the white. The moon is ready. You can easily attach it to the card on the inside. It has to be accurate to the cut piece. Then we'll attach the sticker. You can use 4, 5 or 6 pieces, depends on your taste. I'm using only 2 pieces of stickers, which will make it look elegant. I have cut another piece of black paper just as the card size and attached it on top of it, just the way you can see it. Then we will do the inside part with glitter pen or stickers or some other things. I will use the black to draw the frame. Let's do this. It's done. See, our beautiful card has been done. The finishing version of it looks so amazing. We have added the secret messaging space here and here, and also here. So if you have trouble making it watching our video, you can also purchase it from our Facebook or another platform. Thank you for watching this video. Share, like and subscribe if you like it. Thanks.